Hello guys, welcome to our lecture line on this trigonometry special angle. This one lecture is lecture 2 on this special angle. In our last video we proved that we proved sine of 0 degree and sine of 90. We proved also cos of 0 and cos of 90. We also proved tan of 0 and tan of 90 degree. In this video we are going to look for 30 degree and 60 degree. To find sine, cos, or tan of 30 and 60 degrees, we are going to use a triangle called a equilateral triangle. Why do you call it equilateral triangle? Because all the sides are equal. From the word equal, therefore all the sides are equal. Lateral means lines on the triangles. Therefore, what we know that the sum of angle in a triangle equals to 180. If you divide 180 by 3, we are going to get 60. Therefore, each angle is 60 degree. Each angle equals to 60 degree. But if you want to have 30 degree, we have to cut this one into two equal parts. Therefore, this angle will become 30 degree. Also, this angle will become 30 degree. Don't forget, each side of the equilateral triangle, we are going to take it in this case to be equal to 2 units and 2 units. Since we divide this one into two equal parts, this one will be equal to 1 and this one will also be equal to 1. Let me take one of the triangle to see what do we have. We are going to have something like this one, since we divide it into 2. This side equals to 2, this side equals to 1. This angle equals to 60 and this angle equals to 30 degree. But we don't know this side. But remember, Pythagoras theory says that the square of the longest side of a right angle triangle, which is 2 square, equals to, let this side to be equals to x, equals to the sum, which is x plus y, x plus 1, and squares of the other side. This is what we call Pythagoras theory. Therefore, from here, 2 square.
To ba za ka ɗauko wannan ɗin ka ce wannan za ka iya kai ka equating ɗin shi. Na yi full stop.
Full stop. For 45 degree, we are going to use with a square. As you know, square is a differential in a situation where all the four sides are equal. Therefore, in this case, we have to take this side as 1, this side as 1, this side as 1, this side as 1. But you know, each angle in a square is equals to 90 degrees. Therefore, this one is right angle, this one right angle, this one is also right angle. If you draw a diagonal like this one, you will cut this angle into two equal parts. Therefore, this angle will become 45 degrees. If this angle is 45 degrees, then let me take this triangle to see what do you have. You can have this situation like this one, but we cut it, we have this kind of situation. Therefore, here is 45, here is 1, here is 1. Okay, here is 1, but we don't know this one. Let this one to be x. But as you know from Pythagoras theorem, says that the square of the longest side of a right angle triangle equals to the sum, which is 1 plus 1, and the squares of the other side. Therefore, x square equals to 1 square equals to 1, also 1 square equals to 1, which is equals to 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Therefore, x equals to square root of 2 if you take square root of both sides. Therefore, this side equals to square root of 2. Then to look for sine of 45 degree, sine equals to opposite over hypotenuse, which is equals to 1 over root 2, and the cos of 45 degree equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, which is the same thing also as 1 over root 2, and tan of 45 degree equals to opposite over adjacent, which is 1 over 1, which is equals to 1. If you look at sine of 45 and the cos of 45 equals to are the same, equals to 1 over 2. Then follow us in our next video. We are going to look for 180 degree and 270 degree. Don't forget to subscribe as our channel º45 at youtube.com or our channel at Instagram at º45science. Thank you for watching.